Alufino Show Day put on a wonderful show on Saturday despite the slow arrival of patrons to the grounds. The usual food and drinks were available for people to purchase, and most ran out early as some pre-ordered their goods before the actual day. According to some people, the change of date for the show did not lessen their anticipation of the day, but the fast selling of food meant they only managed to get food to eat at the grounds and not to take home. Even with late arrivals of patrons to the grounds, the entertainment was a mixture of different categories. An event that most look forward to at show days, Alufino didn't disappoint. From the village's Zumba group to representatives from different countries around the world, even the piper from Scotland arrived in time to enter the ethnic competition, minus the piper. Even though the event was slow to start, people stayed to the end, ending another wonderful show for Alufino.